Fosan Nashida Auto Parts is a professional factory dedicated to the research, development, sale, and service of automotive lighting. Established in 2005, we have over 15 years of experience in the development of automotive lighting. We are located in Guangdong, Fosan, where we can enjoy its beautiful scenery and convenient transit systems. Fosan Nashida is making great efforts to develop new products and meet new efficiency requirements. We are committed to strict quality control measures and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our company and its products have passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System certifications and national authoritative testing institutions and have won the European E-Mark and ROS product certifications. As a result, Fosan Nashida has become a leader in the domestic automotive lighting industry. Already selling well in copious cities and provinces throughout China, we also export to clients in countries such as the United States of America, Canada, and Mexico, and welcome OEM and ODM orders as well. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, our customer service is always available to answer questions about your sourcing requirements. We are eager to work together with you to achieve a product that meets your satisfaction.